4 pieces of 6 inches balloons, red and blue. And number 4 foil balloons and our dedication card. We need water balloon for the weight of our bouquet. Now let's inflate our foil balloons. Let's do the base of the bouquet. Inflate the blue balloons up to 5 inches and then tie them together. And then also the other two blue balloons. Tie them again together. Make a quad. Tie the water balloon for the weight of our bouquet. Now let's make the top part of our base. Let's inflate the color red up to 2 inch. Tie it together. And also the other pair. Tie it again together. And then wrap it around the blue balloons. The red balloons around the red balloons, and the base is done. I'm going to use long balloon to tie the number 4 foil balloons. Make sure to tie it in the middle of the long balloon, so it will be easier for you to tie it to our base later. Wrap around the long balloon and make a knot to secure the number 4. Already added up the flying foil balloons, and now it's time to add our dedication card. It will add more personalized touch to our balloon bouquet. It will make the celebrant feel more special and loved.